Right. Next heading. AC through AC series circuit. AC through AC series circuit. ठीक. तो C and L are connected in series with alternating source is equal to E0 sin omega t. ठीक है. So both are in series. So direction of current in both element is same. ठीक है. अच्छा, we know that in pure capacitive circuit, voltage lags current by phase angle pi by 2. So this is the direction of BC. ठीक है. And in pure inductive circuit, voltage leads current by phase angle pi by 2. ठीक है. So this is your BL. BC and BL both are in opposite direction, out of phase. ठीक है. तो टू गेट रिजल्टेंट ऑफ अपोजिट वेक्टर, ठीक है, वी सब्ट्रैक्ट स्मॉलर वेक्टर फ्रॉम लार्जर ना, लार्जर वेक्टर. ठीक. तो दिस इज योर डायरेक्शन ऑफ BC. दिस इज योर डायरेक्शन ऑफ BL. लेट BL इज ग्रेटर देन BC. ठीक है. एंड दिस इज योर डायरेक्शन ऑफ BC. BL and BC both are in opposite direction. ठीक है. Direction of current is this. This is your direction ना. ठीक है. तो let BL is greater than BC, then resultant voltage will be BL minus BC. Resultant voltage will be BL minus BC. So in general, resultant voltage is difference of BL and BC. BC may be greater, BL may be greater. So we take difference. ठीक है. तो this is your 90 degree pi by 2 and this is your 90 degree pi by 2. ना. अच्छा, V equal to BL is I into XL. ठीक है. BC is I into XC. ठीक है. तो take I common. ठीक है. देन V is equal to I XL डिफरेंस X. ठीक. तो B upon I is equal to XL डिफरेंस X. तो B upon I is B is the net voltage, I is the net current. So the ratio of net voltage to the net current is impedance ना, net opposition in the path of flow of AC current. So this opposition is known as impedance because this is presence of two different elements C and L. ठीक है. So Z is equal to XL difference XC ना. ठीक है. तो XL is omega and XC is 1 by omega C. ठीक है. अच्छा, तो tan phi, तो phi is 90 degree. Phi will be 90 degree leads if XL is greater than XC. ठीक है. Pi by 2 less. ठीक है. If XC is less than XL, है ना. अच्छा, तो 3 cases arises. 1 XL is greater than XC, 1 XC is less than XL, 1 third case XL is equal to XC. ठीक है. तो in that case phi become 0, है ना. ठीक है. तो in this case XL is equal to XC, omega L is equal to 1 by omega c. When phi becomes 0, then current become maximum. Current becomes maximum. I become maximum. ठीक है, maximum. So this is the condition for resonance. This is the condition for resonance of LC series circuit. ठीक है, तो what is frequency of resonance? XL is equal to XC. At resonance, XL is equal to XC. At resonance, XL is equal to XC. XL is equal to omega A. XC is 1 by omega C. So omega square is equal to 1 by AC. ठीक है, तो omega is equal to 1 upon root of AC ना, ठीक है. So omega 2 pi f, तो 2 pi f is equal to 1 upon root LC ना. So f is equal to 1 upon 2 pi square root of 1 by S. 1 by. So this is the frequency of LC oscillating circuit. So your chart oscillate with this frequency. Your chart oscillate with this frequency in this circuit. ना, तो oscillatory motion is accelerated motion. Oscillatory motion is accelerated motion. So when charge particle has accelerated motion, then according to Maxwell's electrodynamics theory, electromagnetic waves are emitted from the source. So thus electromagnetic waves emitted from this LC oscillatory circuit. ठीक है, having frequency this. ठीक है, so this is the source of producing radio waves having high frequency.